If you want to save videos on CapCut templates without a watermark, this quick tutorial is going to help you do it in just a few simple steps. A lot of people use CapCut templates to make fast, trendy edits, but then they notice that little ending clip with the CapCut logo at the end. The good news is, in many cases, you can remove that ending clip before exporting so your final video comes out clean and ready to post. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Now, let's jump into it. First, open your CapCut project and go to your timeline. This is where all of your clips, effects, and edits are arranged. Once you're on the timeline, swipe all the way to the end. You want to scroll right to the very last part of the project because that's where CapCut usually places its ending clip. When you reach the end, look for the short clip that features the CapCut logo. This is the watermark style ending segment that appears on some template exports. Tap on that clip to select it. Once it's highlighted, tap delete to remove it from the timeline. After deleting that final CapCut clip, your project should now be ready for a clean export. The last step is to export your video normally, just like you always would. Tap the export option, choose your settings, and let CapCut finish rendering the file. When the export is complete, your video should be saved without that CapCut watermark ending, giving you a much cleaner result for posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or anywhere else you want to share it. If you're still seeing a watermark, double check the timeline to make sure that ending clip is actually removed before exporting. And that's it. That's how to save videos on CapCut templates without a watermark. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut editing guides just like this one.